Okay, so come back to the ring topology. So as I have suggested that ring topology is made of the ring. Okay? Ring topology is made of this ring that are in which the stations are connected through the repeaters. Okay? What is the task of repeater? The task of repeater is to just train the signals. Okay, whatever the signals are going to be down, again remake it to pass through the ring. Okay, so the main advantage of this ring topology is transmission is not affected by the high traffic or by adding the more nodes. Okay? If you is there is a chance of the traffic in case of the bus topology, but in case of the ring, if the stations is not happy to receive, we can say process some data, then he or she can pass that signal to the ring, and that signal will flow out through the rings till then the station can process that signals. Okay, the another advantage is it is cheap to install and expand. Okay, we require only the cost of the ring through which we can pass our information. Finally, we have the tree topology. So in tree topology, there is a root node and the all other nodes are connected to it, forming a hierarchy. So you know about these three things in the data structure part, in which there is a one root node and the some of the devices are connected by, we can say, the tree way, in which there is a root node. On the first level we have the two pieces, on the second level we have the four pieces, and by that way the trees are going to be expanded. Okay, so it is also known as the hierarchical topology. Okay, so we can give this example like someone has listened the name of the DNS server. So in case of the DNS server, you know that there is a root server. Okay, there is a one main root server, and on the second level we have the some another country servers. Okay, like .in server, .un server, .uk server. Okay, then on the third level we have the various domain servers. Okay, so this can be the example of the tree topology. There is a root server on which we can have a country servers, then we have domain servers. Okay, like that. So it is also known as the hierarchical topology, and mostly it is used in case of the WAN, or we can say wide area network. And the main advantage is expansion of nodes. That is, it is possible and easy. We need to install any new devices only at the leaf. Okay, and if you want to remove only any devices, then we can remove from the leaf. Okay, so it is easily managed and maintained. That every management can be done through the root node. Root node need to get the information of all the leaf nodes, and by that way we can perform the expansion and reduction. Okay. Then finally we have the hybrid topology. As name suggests, hybrid topology means combination of multiple topologies. We can combine the star with the mesh. We can combine star with the bus. We can combine star with the tree. Okay, so any combination is possible. Okay. So we have the one software in the lab, that is Cisco Packet Tracer. That after the second lab, in the third lab we are start to work with Cisco Packet Tracer. In the Cisco Packet Tracer, we have the experiment related to creating the topology. Okay, so you can have an idea that the how mesh topologies are designed. This is the software in which you can create your own network. Okay, in Cisco Packet Tracer, you can create your own network with તમારા device મૂકી શકે, તમારા laptop. Okay, now we can have various symbols. Okay, so you can put your own devices. You can make the connection, the types of connection you want to make. You can put the switch, you can put the router, then you can connect the all the devices. Then you can see that how your data is flowing through the all the network. Okay, તમારો data કઈ રીતે network માંથી flow થાય, that all things you can visualize. Okay, so that things will perform in the lab. Okay, so I will guide you that how these things are going to be performed. So if you have time, then you can download this software Cisco Packet Tracer from the net and try to install in your computer. Okay, so whenever we can start our experiment. Okay, so we can start, we can continue with this practicals. Okay, so hybrid topology, as the name suggests, combination of any two topologies. So here we can say that we have combined which two topology? Number 62. આવી ગયો પાછો? નંબર 62 હા બોલે દેખાય છે સ્ક્રીન પર
હા સર
કઈ કઈ બે ટોપોલોજી છે એમાં આ હાઇબ્રિડ ટોપોલોજી કઈ બે ટોપોલોજી નું કોમ્બિનેશન છે ઓકે anyone else number 45 this topology is combination of this hybrid topology is combination of which two topology કઈ બે ટોપોલોજી નું કોમ્બિનેશન છે there is a backbone cable through which the devices are connected આ ટોપોલોજી ને કઈ ટોપોલોજી કહેવાય બસ ટોપોલોજી
બસ અને સ્ટાર
બસ અને સ્ટાર નું કોમ્બિનેશન છે ઓકે સો આ એક બસ બીજો બસ આ ત્રીજો બસ અને finally all buses are connected through the hub so this is the star topology this is the combination of we can say bus and star topology so meanwhile you can make the any combination okay you can make the combination of we can have a three different mesh ત્રણ અલગ મેશ છે અને એ પણ ફાઇનલી જે કંઈ પણ છે તે હબ સાથે કનેક્ટેડ થયેલું છે that is the combination of mesh and star okay so you can make the any combination of two topology that is known as the hybrid topology so here finally we have the comparisons of various topologies in case of the bus we can say the every computer networks devices are connected with single cable or we can say the backbone cable in case of the ring each computer is connected to another with the last one connected to the first in the star all the computers are connected to a single hub through a cable in the mesh all the network nodes are connected to each other and in case of the tree it has a root node and the all other nodes are connected to it forming a hierarchy okay the cost the highest cost is about the mesh topology and apache we can have a cost of okay we can say star has also highest cost tree has the highest cost okay bus has the average and ring topology you can say cheap okay bus topology is used in a small network okay ring can be used to expand the network star is used in a small network while mesh and tree can be used to expand the network some of the problems with bus is easy but cables fail then whole networks are going to be failed in ring troubleshooting is difficult failure of one computer disrupt the whole network in case of the star troubleshooting of that affected node is easy if the hub fails then the whole network is down okay in case of the mesh it's difficult to troubleshoot installation and configuration is difficult and in tree troubleshooting is easy and central root hub is failed if the root is fails then the whole network is failed okay so how much time is there okay so today we'll stop here okay actually during that meeting with the sir I have taken the screenshot so I will take your attendance from that screenshot and meanwhile that as the sir has suggested okay kindly change your enrollment number according to that format okay everything should be in the capital letter there should not be any space there is no need to write down the name okay so change the enrollment number by that way and whenever we will join okay join using that enrollment number okay if you have any doubt still we have the 2 minutes you can ask koi doubt chhe jo whatever that we have covered today so we have started with the topology we have started with the mesh topology then star topology okay bus topology then we have a ring tree and hybrid we have seen that how the topologies are going to be created what are the advantages what are the disadvantages of each and every topology and finally we have seen the hybrid topology which can be the combination of multiple topologies okay then we have the concept of computer network so these things types of computer network so you might be aware of this LAN WAN and MAN so we will see some simple definition and then we will move to some our real time networking in which we can have a some complex protocol okay so we can have a OSI and TCP IP layer so that based on that TCP IP layer we have the 7 modules designed for your subject so for each modules are designed based on the TCP IP layer that we'll cover in the next lecture. Okay.
હેલો સર,
હા બોલો.
કયું સોફ્ટવેર ડાઉનલોડ કરવાનું?
સિસ્કો પેકેટ ટ્રેસર. હવે ચેટમાં મોકલાવું છું તમને.
ઓકે સર.
Okay, so you can download and keep it. Okay, જ્યારે જરૂર પડશે ત્યારે આપણે યુઝ કરશું એનો. Okay, so here I will end the meeting. If you have any doubt, you can ask through the WhatsApp or call કરીને પૂછી શકો. You can ask at any time.